estate brokerage managers is an exceptional group of people. This is a legacy moment for our council. The average CRB designee makes 57% more in income than the non-CRB individual. Now that's a statistic you can't take away from this organization. The quality of education is relevant, it's pertinent, it's applicable. It takes the member who does the work and puts it to work to the next level. I would not be who I am today, this is a fact, if I had not gone through CRB. It changed my life. From day one. And the SRS acquisition under a new division of CRB is truly, these are Ginny's words, a legacy moment. It's a brand new day. New horizons, our membership is moving upward, and we have a superb leadership team in place. 3, love this, strong women. First time. So I again want to thank you for being here. I know you have busy schedules. You have meant a lot personally to me that you came. I know you also do that with the other officers. And it's been a nice evening, and in Steve Casper's words, if I think I have this right, live long and enjoy. Thank you.